Naruto is one of my favorite Japanese mangas, which I believe has touched countless fans like me in the past 2 decades. Although the television series ended in 2017, we still are able to see its energy spreading throughout the world with plenty of Naruto-related merchandise. And today, I'm very excited to introduce you guys the first Naruto Special Edition smartphone brought by Realme, the Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto. Actually, it's not the first anime-themed smartphone launched by the brand. The first one was the Realme GT Neo 2 Dragon Ball Z Edition. And if you're interested, you can click the card at the corner and watch our unboxing video. But trust me, the second collaboration with Naruto is more attractive for fans. Well, follow our unboxing and take a look at the latest Naruto edition. The first sight of the packaging is enough for us to get excited and start expecting more. It's actually a summon scroll. In the series, it's one of the most important pieces of equipment in the ninja's arsenal. Distinguished by the color, it seems to be the summon scroll that Naruto carried when he appeared into battle against Pain. And that scene is also one of my favorite moments in the series. So of course, the scroll carries a lot of fans' memory from the series, and it's also very collectible. The scroll is made of leather-like material and feels very delicate to touch. It's surprisingly unfoldable, but there won't any ninja techniques stored inside, nor a summon contract between Naruto and Banta. Once you open the cover from one side of the scroll, you will see a semi-cylindrical drawer, which is in a dark green color, widely seen on the ninja flag jacket. Pull it out and you will see the cover of the emblem of the Uzumaki clan, which is also the Naruto's clan symbol on the back of his jacket. At the bottom, there's a cooperation logo of Realme and Naruto Shippuden. And we found another small thoughtful accessory inside, which is the SIM card pin. It's made into the symbol of the Leaf Village. Remove the cover panel, the phone will appear in front of you. When you turn it over, the design on the back clearly tells us that this is a complete Naruto costume edition. It simulates the style of Naruto's jacket from the Shippuden series. Divided into the upper matte black and lower bright orange parts, at the center there's again the symbol of the Uzumaki clan. Compared to the standard version of the Realme GT Neo 3, the Naruto edition adds a metal-like panel under the camera module. I believe that fans must be very familiar with it, which is the Leaf Village's ninja's forehead protector. It made me think that if I put a scratch in the middle, it would become a custom version of Akatsuki. Okay, just kidding. And if you look closer, you will find another iconic detail of Naruto, which is the whisker-like scars on the Naruto's cheeks. Well, they were not actual scars, but marks influenced by the Bijuu's presence. Now, let's put the phone aside as we will show you the details of its customization in the software later. At the bottom of the drawer, there's still a charging cable, a protective case, and a 160-watt fast charger. But only the charger brick got customized into the same Naruto style of the phone. Actually, there are several customized phone cases released with the Naruto phone, but now it seems that they are not included and need to be purchased separately. Now let's check out what we got in the software. I'm glad to see that limited editions support multiple languages when setting up the phone for the first time. Although we have no idea whether the limited edition is going to be officially released in the global market, thankfully you still can get more language options no matter where you buy it from. Google apps are not pre-installed on the phone, but you can still install most of Google apps by yourself. The limited phone starts with the Naruto UI theme with plenty of customized app icons, and there are 3 customized wallpapers as options. Another unique detail that differentiates from the standard version is charging effect. When activating 150-watt fast charging with the included charger, the circular diagram of the 5 basic natures will show up and tell you how much power is collected back. Apart from the details that we showed you above, there are no other customizations that we could find. Actually, we still hope to see more surprises on this limited edition, so hopefully the brand can keep working on the software for fans. The customized edition no doubt is the brand's most impressive special edition model with a strong Naruto imprint. No matter from the scroll packaging or from the phone itself, we can feel that they are pretty serious about the co-branded model. And don't forget, the whole story did start with the stealing a forbidden scroll. Then from the scroll to the family badge, to the Leaf Village symbol, and to the cheeks mark, the phone seems to try and narrate the story of Naruto, one of the most likable characters in the anime history. And as we end this video, we would like to quote Naruto's most famous dialogue. "My future dream is to be the greatest Hokage." So that's all we want to share about the Naruto edition of the Realme GT Neo 3, and if you want to learn more about the phone, please check out the previous review video of the GT Neo 3 standard version. And if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and it means a lot to us. Thank you for watching. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you soon.